Pigs, they tend to wiggle when they walk. The infrastructure rots. And the owners hate the jocks with their agents and their dates. If the signatures are checked, you'll just have to wait, and we were counting up the instants that we saved Tired Nation. So depraved from the cheap seats, see us wave to the camera. It took a giant ramrod to raise the demon settlement. But hi-ho Silver, ride. Hi-ho Silver, ride. Take another ride to see me home. Listen to me. I am on the stereo. Stereo, oh. Oh my baby, 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 baby. Babe gave me malaria. Hysteria. What about the voice of Geddy Lee? How did it get so high? I wonder if he speaks like an ordinary guy. I know him and he does. Then you're my fact-checking cause. Oh, well, focus on the quasar in the mist. The Kaiser has a cyst and I am a blank wand. List the qualms you have, and if they stick, they will drown you in a creek, in the neck of a woods that was populated by Tired Nation on the fly. Everybody knows advice that was given out for free. Lots of details to discern. Lots of details. But hi-ho Silver ride. Hi-ho Silver ride. Takes another ride to make me get off the air. I am on the stereo. Stereo, oh. Oh my baby, 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 baby. Babe gave me malaria. Hysteria. Oh. Oh.